This is a PWM motor speed controller. You can increase or decrease the speed of a motor by turning the potentiometer. The main brain of this circuit is NE555 IC. Here's the circuit diagram. You can use other MOSFETs too, like P55 and F06 or IRF, anything will work. You may think it's simple, but at the back the connections are just too much. It took a lot of time to do this. I won't explain the whole circuit diagram. Watch my NE555 oscillator video, which is available on my channel. You'll understand better. When the PWM cycle is increased, the motor speed also increases because the cycles in a second is too much. When the PWM cycle is decreased, the motor speed also decreases. This was a very short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. That's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one.